What's the meaning of biting? Biting. Biting.
Biting. Biting. The term biting can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it implies something that is harsh or severe in nature. For example, a biting remark or criticism is one that is sharp, cutting, and intended to hurt someone's feelings. Similarly, a biting cold wind is one that is extremely cold and painful to the skin. In addition, the term can also be used to describe an action taken by an animal, such as biting someone or something, which is used for defense or to assert dominance. Overall, the term biting connotes something that is strong, intense, and potentially harmful.